Welcome to the Homepage Content Training module in HotHealth. In this module, we'll show you how to update your homepage content so you can manage exactly what appears on your site's front page. You'll learn how to review, edit, and arrange sections to keep your homepage engaging and aligned with your brand. To start, click on your profile button and go to Dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to Organization Settings and select Homepage Content. Here, you can add a page title where you can click on the hyperlink below to know further details. A description may also be added. You may configure an announcement block with a background color depending on its purpose. You can also add a welcome block, where you can include an image and update its layout, title, and body text. Welcome buttons can be enabled if preferred, and you can add an additional welcome statement for a more personalized touch. You may also showcase your services. To set up, add an image, select the layout, and add the service's title. You may click Add to have an additional service entry or click Remove if a service is no longer needed. When adding, name it, upload an image and link it to a URL. A location block is also available, allowing you to add an image, adjust the layout, set a title, and enable additional location details. For associations and accreditations, enter a heading. Click Add. Then upload an image and link it to a URL. Before saving your changes, review the homepage preview on the right-hand side to ensure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, click Save to apply your updates. To find out more about HotHealth, visit our website at www.hothealth.com.